My hotpoint fridge freezer EXFL 1810 is not cooling and both lights are flashing. It is about 2 years old.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years and currently work for a well-known manufacturer. If it's not cooling, what you need to do is empty the freezer and from there remove the panel inside the freezer at the back. From there, clear any ice that has built up on the evaporator and also remvoe the fan from the plastic panel and clear all the ice in there, as these do like to build up with ice and causes this fault. Then to clear the flashing lights, open the freezer door and turn the freezer dial, which is on the right. Turn this to off and wait 5 seconds, then turn it back on and it will reset the lights and stop them flashing. If you need any more info, just get back to me. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.